Is your Facebook feed full of random, irrelevant posts? Here's how to reset your Facebook feed and make it feel fresh again. First, open the Facebook app. You can swipe down on the homepage to refresh it, but that's only a basic refresh. If you want a real reset, here's what to do. Tap the menu icon, 3 lines. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Scroll down and open Content Preferences. This is where you control your feed. Start with Favorites. Add people or pages you want to see more often. Next, tap Unfollow. Here you can unfollow accounts without unfriending them. Then check Snooze to temporarily hide certain people or pages. Now tap Reconnect. This shows people you've unfollowed. You can follow them again if needed. Also, review sensitive content and adjust it to show less if your feed feels messy. By updating these settings, Facebook's algorithm rebuilds your feed over time. It won't change instantly, but within a few days, you'll notice a big difference. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips.